Well, root, scoot, and boogie. Root, scoot, and boogie. This is about tomato roots in a 5-gallon bucket system. Last year, I grew tomatoes in 5-gallon buckets, as I've done before. I've heard, oh, you can't grow tomatoes in 5-gallon buckets. There's not enough room for their root systems. It'll never work out. Well, Old Gear's here to tell you, you can check my playlist from last year, Shed Wars 2022 playlist, and Old Gear shows that you can grow tomatoes in 5-gallon buckets. Of course, if you're able to do it in the ground or have big old mineral lake buckets or a wash tub or whatever, yeah, bigger is better. At least that's what they say down in Texas. That's where all my exes are. Not really, but anyways, this is about roots. The rooting system on the tomatoes, they will grow down. They'll have big roots. Y'all see that? This is from last year. It's been sitting out all winter in the elements. And if I was to take this bucket and dump it upside down, there would be roots all along the outside, in the middle, and at the bottom. There's roots there to pick up the nutrients, water, whatever's down there, all the good stuff. So, can you grow tomatoes in 5-gallon buckets? Yes, you can. And you can produce tomatoes. Well, the plant can produce them for you, but yes, you can. Look at all the root system on that right there. And that come down from half a foot at least. Look at the root system on that. Would you? Would you just look at that? Oh man. And would you look at that? I had Barry's Crazy Cherry, yellow cherry tomatoes in these 3 containers. Last year was Tommy Toe in this one. But yes, you can grow tomatoes in 5-gallon buckets. If anybody tells you that you can't, tell them Gear Ride 19 says you can, and you're wrong. No, you ain't got to do that. But you can grow tomatoes in 5-gallon buckets. Check out my Shed Wars 2022 video from playlist, and you'll see how I done it. Or you can stick around this year, and I'll show you once again how to do it, how I do it. All right, it's just Old Gear, and Team Will It Grow here. Y'all have a good one. Bye for now.